Hey guys, it's DestinyLashae. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this really quick and easy and honestly really cheap hairstyle when I'm in a bind and I want to look cute but I don't want to wear a wig, and I just recently took my braids out. So my hair is natural and I recently straightened it probably about 4 or 5 days ago. So my hair is like not newly straightened. So what I do is I go ahead and make a triangle towards the front of my hair with a rat tail comb, just making it as neat as I can get it. And this is gonna be our bang part. And I've never done this style before. Actually, no, I've never done this style before with the 2 split bangs. So I wanted to try it out, and my hair was long enough in the front to do it now. So I was like, let me try it out. And my hair is already straightened. I'm not gonna straighten my hair any more than I need to. So those bangs worked out perfectly. I'm gonna just create the parting, make it like a little bit more together, and then I'm just gonna tie it into itself, and put a bobby pin on it so that it's out of the way. Leela wanted to say hi. She's always there. Every time I'm filming, she's right there. But she wanted to say hi. But anyways, I'm gonna use my edge booster, edge control. I like all of the colors. I don't know, none of them are different to me. So I just take some of that and put it on a toothbrush and just kind of do my edges a little bit just to see how I want everything to lay. I did add some argan oil eco styler gel to my hands and just rubbed it in the front of my head as well as in the back so that it'll lay a little bit better. I know using a water-based gel when your hair is straight is not the smartest thing to do, but my hair is really unruly. Even when it's straight, it doesn't stay where I put it, so I need to put some type of water-based something on my hair. So all I do is I put the argan oil eco styler gel in my hand, rub it on the back, and then I just brush it up like a regular bun ponytail, right? And then I take my comb just to make sure it's as flat as I can get it, and I comb my hair into the center of my hand where my bun is gonna go. And I'm just trying to make it as flat as possible. Like I said, I'm not straightening my hair again because I don't want to. I don't want heat damage. So I'm just going to make it as flat as I possibly can. And I feel like the key to making these flat is literally just brushing a lot and adding more edge booster, because the beeswax in the edge booster helps to lay your hair flat. And I just put the ponytail holder on, and once that's there, what I do is I just comb up some more of the hair into the ponytail, just making sure everything is as flat as I can get it, like I keep saying. And then what I do is I go ahead and braid that ponytail because I want to create a mini bun before we put our braiding hair on top. So I'm just going to create a cute little braid, just one, and then at the end I'm going to add a rubber band. Now what I'm doing is tying the braid around itself, creating a little mini bun, and then I take one rubber band and wrap the rubber band around the braided bun. I take some got2b glue spray just around the edges of my hair so that it lasts all day and my hair doesn't look crazy by the end of the day. And with the got2b glue, I feel like you have to use a blow dryer. I use it on cool first, and then I go in and use it on hot so that my hair will lay. And especially in those front parts, I feel like they get a little poofy. So what I do is I spray a little got2b glue towards the front near the bang, and I really press really hard and put the blow dryer right near the hair and press down so that it lays flat. So now I'm going in with some braiding hair. This is Expressions hair, and I believe this is either a whole pack or a quarter of a pack. And it's depending on how big you want your bun to be, right? So I just take my hair, and I'm doing this with no bobby pins. So I take the hair, wrap it around the bun, and then what I start to do is twist the hair into itself. I'm not really twisting the hair like, you know how Senegalese twists are? No, you're taking all of the hair and twisting it into itself like this. And you twist super tight, like really, really tight, until the hair begins to fold on its own. So once I get towards the end of my bun, I begin to twist a little bit harder and tie it a little bit harder so that it's tight and I don't have to add any bobby pins. And that last little piece of hair, I literally tie it around the bottom of the bun until there's no more hair. And since my bun is so tight, I promise you, my bun does not move. And I don't add any bobby pins because I hate bobby pins and they hurt my head. So this bun is definitely secure and it's not going anywhere, and it's super cute and easy. Now I'm going to go in with my toothbrush again, and I'm going to use that edge booster, and I'm going to just go ahead and do my baby hairs so that they lay a little bit better now. Since there is product already on it, I feel like my hair reacts better when I have stuff on it already. I don't know if that makes sense, but once I lay my edges once, I have to lay them again. Then I take one of these little foam wraps that you can get from the beauty supply store, and I lay that on top of my bangs as well as towards the back of my hair. And then I use another foam wrap to place on the back of my head so that, you know, the nape of my hair acts right as well. I leave that on for like 10 minutes and then I take it off. I did my makeup like a little cute, quick, natural beat. So now it's time just to fix the bangs a little bit. So all I do is take that down. They are laying a little bit more flat because I had those head wraps on. I just take my rat tail comb, part it down the middle, and then just comb it towards the sides of my head, and that's it because my hair is already straight. I don't need to straighten it again. I love that this bun doesn't require any bobby pins, and my head does not hurt after this style, but the bun is super cute and the bangs just give it a little bit more style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial. Leave a comment down below of what you like, what hairstyle you want to see me do next. Also, make sure you're watching my YouTube stories. I have a giveaway coming up. And follow me on Instagram so you don't miss anything, because some things I don't talk about on here, but I'm always on Instagram for the most part. Love ya!